Welcome to Lecture 10.7, Locating Objects in ASL. As with much of ASL discourse, you will want to start general and then move to more specific information. Begin by naming the room or area the object is in. You can name it and then set it up in the signing space, or start with the sign No and then give the room name or area. This is akin to saying you know in English. For example, no bathroom means you know the bathroom. This is a kind of rhetorical structure, and your choice to use the rhetorical structure or to simply name the room depends on context and preference. After getting your topic set up, use the sign Enter to place yourself at the entrance of the room or space. This becomes your initial reference point and orients your viewer as you begin the navigation sequence. I will demonstrate the following two examples. Once you sign Enter, begin the navigation to the area where the object is located. Use signs like right or left area, corner, the right, left, or far wall, floor, ceiling, etc. Then move to the next level of detail. Name the piece of furniture and explain how to find the object. Use signs like in, on, next to, behind, close to, or first, second, third drawer. Finally, name the object and use your index finger to reinforce that the object is there, or use a classifier to place it in the signing space. Build your navigation sequence from general to specific, or big to small. Think about how the object is nested in or on something in some area or some room or space. I will demonstrate the following examples. You know the bedroom on the right side? Enter it, and on the left wall is a window. Beneath the window is a table, and my plant is sitting there. Down the hall, at the end on the far wall, my wedding picture is right there. Enter the kitchen area on the right side. You know where the stovetop is? To the left of it is the refrigerator. Open it up, look inside. On the right side, you'll see the milk sitting right there. You know the family room? It's in the basement. Enter the room, and on the far wall is a fireplace with a hearth. Just to the right side is a rocking chair. It's not always easy to know which classifiers are appropriate for furniture and household objects. Here is a list of the most common ones, and I will demonstrate. For chairs, use the bent V hand shape. Chairs can face each other. They can be positioned around a table. They can face toward you or away from you, side by side, close or far. Couch is signed with C hand shapes or bent V's. For tables, we use a B hand. Tables can be side by side, or tables might be all in a row, like in a cafeteria. The classifier for beds is also a B hand shape. Beds can be next to each other, or for a bunk bed, place one on top of the other. Pictures or framed art can be shown with an L hand shape. Indicate which wall it hangs on. Pictures can also be shown with B classifiers, L classifiers, or bent L classifiers, depending on the shape and size. Plants use the set sign. So do televisions. Area rugs use a bent L classifier. For shelving, sign wall and then show the number of shelves. Wall and then shelf. Both wall and shelves use a B hand shape. Describe drawers with B hand shapes, showing the size and shape. Remember to navigate, explain, and sign from your own perspective. Do not flip orientation for the viewer. The best ASL sentences include a combination of gloss and classifier signs. Rather than tell, use signing space and classifiers as much as possible. Treat the signing space like a game board. And when using classifiers to describe objects and locations, be as literal as possible and maintain ratios whenever you can. Practice makes perfect. Find a study partner to practice describing the whereabouts of various objects in a space. Use the vocabulary and sentence structures we've learned in Unit 10.